Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to integrate your Trello board with Outlook in just a few steps? In this video, you will be following and watching a guide to seamlessly link your tasks to your Outlook calendar. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, the first thing, guys, that you will have to do is to go ahead and open one of your workspaces. Right after that, go ahead and create a new board, or basically log into one that already exists. So I'm gonna name this one Outlook. After that, you will need to enter a couple of things. In Trello, you can actually add plugins or extensions. So plugin extensions, for those who are familiar with WordPress, Wix, and more than that, they will understand what are these for. Basically, they are apps that are not basically within Trello itself. So they are external apps that's going to help you manage to do so. In this video, we're going to use these power-ups. So in Trello, they are called power-ups. So to add them, you simply have to click right here and click on Add Power-Ups. From here, this marketplace of power-ups will open. Simply just search for calendar. How do we write it? Alright, here we go. So here, as you can see, you will find many calendars. So for that specific reason, I'm gonna add Outlook. And here we go. So here we have Outlook calendar for Trello. There is also other ones like Outlook Mail Tracker, but we want the calendar. So you can either choose one of these, depending on what is your goal exactly. Do you want it for calendar reason or for my tracking reason? So it's completely up to you. Let's go with this one. So this is Outlook calendar for Trello Power Up by Krill Solutions. So here are the uses. So for example, do you use Outlook or Outlook Online calendars? If so, now you can manage your calendar in Trello right from your board. Use the Outlook calendar for Trello Power Up, or Oct, I don't know what this means exactly, to create and edit Outlook appointments, or create, add, and edit your Trello cards right from the calendar view. In the calendar view, you can switch between week or month view easily. Look ahead or look behind on your combined Trello Outlook calendar. You can also link your Trello cards to Outlook appointment meetings, link Outlook appointment meetings to existing Trello cards, and or create a new Outlook appointment directly from your Trello cards. And best of all, the basic functionality of this power-up is free. Now for a premium feature, you have these. You can add reminders, the ability to edit existing item on the calendar, multiple accounts and multiple calendars, calendar colors, past meetings in batch, ability to comment on linked Trello cards. Note, see below for more information on subscription. So what would you use this power up for? Like the reasons of using this? Well, this is something that you have to check in every single power up, guys, because sometimes you might think that this power up is the thing that you need, but in fact it will not give you the things that you really are looking for. So make sure to read it, and yeah, you will like discover that you're not wasting time, and sometime you will discover that you are wasting time with this power up. So yeah, make sure to read everything within the page. So here we got this to put appointments on your Outlook calendar directly from existing cards. So if you need to have a meeting about next steps for a card, you can do that in a couple of clicks. To link several Trello cards to an appointment meeting in Outlook as agenda items you will discuss, or vice versa, link multiple meetings to a single Trello card with which are needed to work out final details of a single item on your board. Now for subscription, we're not gonna really go deep into it because there is several types of subscriptions. You can see here there's individual personal subscription per board, for monthly personal, annual personal, like there's plenty of them. So you can see we're going for this premium. Then yeah, you should actually read this before you get into it. Now to get to use it, simply click on add. So here are the things that you will need to accept. access this board, add content to this board such as attachment to cards, take actions on this board such as moving, sorting or filtering cards or lists, access user information such as username, avatar, initials, and full name for users on this board. Let's click on add. Now once it is added, as you can see, thank you for adding it. Now we have to go through a couple of things. So thank you for adding, your practice video has just begun. Join our newsletter. I'm not gonna do this, just simply click here. To start, you might suggest you start the free trial, no obligation. You do not need to supply any information or credit card payments. The trial is 100% free to try, and once it's over, everything will return to the default free mode. Let's start the trial. Disable trial notification. Yes. Are you sure you want to disable it? Yes. Okay, let's go. The try mode has been disabled, and yeah, let's go for it. All right, that's perfect. All right, let's close it. And here we go. So here we have to connect our account. So first of all, you have to actually click to authorize Outlook. Since now authorization from this app, which is Career Solutions, has been already made when we clicked on add. So now we have to actually authorize Outlook. So click here, and basically this will take you to your Outlook account. Simply, once you log into your Outlook account, you will simply have to give them some information, not really some information, but just the same permissions like edit, view, and share. So this can help you a lot with a lot of things also. Here there is a note, some browser might block the Microsoft authentication prompt, which we didn't have. Having issues. If that's so, they click here, and basically once the authorization is made, then this window will close. Then what to do next? You have to access the calendar. To access the calendar, you simply have to go here into this menu and basically go to this arrow right over here. Click on this calendar icon, and basically it will be added as a shortcut right here. Note that for those who are having calendar here, in fact this is the workspace calendar, not the board calendar. Workspace calendar is not working the same as board calendar. Here you will find the whole thing, the whole things that you have in every single board right in here. But this board calendar will only include the only thing that has been created within this board, which makes it more specified and much more cleaner. Here you can find the Outlook calendar. If you clicked on it, once you have made the authorization, it will be right here, so you can click on it and view everything right from Trello. And yeah guys, that was pretty much it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.